Hey guys, it's me, Casual Stick. Now I'm changing colors and becoming sick because I noticed that some people on YouTube haven't subscribed to sub to me for a sub, and it turns me sick and evil. And if you sub to him, I will turn normal and be your best friend, and also give you this chocolate bar smiley face. Tell me if you subscribed, and it'll be